Yo guys, just gotta put you onto something life-changing, the Ring Battery Doorbell. I was skeptical at first, but trust me, it's amazing. Ever missed a package while you were away? Not anymore. I got this thing and bam, now I know whenever someone's at my door, day or night, thanks to its color night vision and setting it up. Literally took minutes, connect via Wi-Fi, slap on the mount, done. Oh, and peep this. Motion detection means I get alerts for anything weird, and if you got a subscription, you get sweet discounts. It's like having eyes on your doorstep 24/7. Seriously, don't sleep on this. Make your life easier right now. Tap that link and grab yours today before they run out.